Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a non-destructive hole effect using the knockout option in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, select the rectangle tool and create a rectangle on your canvas. Then, fill the rectangle with any color you prefer. Next, select the type tool and type any word you want to use for the hole effect. Arrange the text in your desired position and take your time to resize and position it correctly. Pause here so I can demonstrate this step. Once you're happy with the placement, right-click the text layer and choose Blending Options. Under Advanced Blending, change the Knockout option to Shallow and set the fill opacity to 0%. The text will now create a hole effect while keeping everything editable and non-destructive. Pause here so I can demonstrate the final result. And that's it. You have now created a simple, non-destructive hole effect using Knockout in Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Photoshop tutorials.